welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I will be showing you guys how I do my traditional box braids. So I haven't done this style in a minute because my clients always book for knotless box braids because they love it. I mean, I used to do traditional box braids all the time, but ever since knotless came around, I barely get this hairstyle. I actually did 2 of these today, but I was only able to record 1, so bear with me. My recording might not be the best because I'm not really used to doing this, and this is my first time actually trying to record this, so my camera placement might be a little weird, but I just promise to get better over time. So first, I'm going to, since our hair is very short, I mean our hair is somewhat short, not very short but somewhat short, I'm able to grip it. I'm going to be showing you how to just make things easier for yourself and help with gripping. So clearly I just made my first part, my line, and now I'm going over with some edge control just so that when I go back to part it again, it's just easier for me to move the hair around, just so that hair is not in the line or in the middle of me braiding. Because one thing that you don't want when you're braiding short hair is just hair being everywhere, and it's easy for hair to be everywhere if the line isn't so straight, and if you don't have a hairband or hair tie or or edge control just to push the hair to where they belong. So now I'm going back again to make my line cleaner before I start braiding. Also, I use the Rua braiding hair. That is my favorite braiding hair. I always say that. As of right now, when I'm doing solid colors, that is the hair that I use. When I'm doing ombre color, I do have the hair link in my description. And also, please check out my link, guys. I do have some hair accessories and hair things and all that good stuff for beauty and stuff. I do have the link for the shopping in my description box. So now we're done with the lines and we're making everything clean and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and just wrap my client's hair just so that just for extra support. Clearly you cannot really wrap all the hair up, but as long as you can wrap the the ones that I'm doing right now, you should be fine, and braiding should go very easy and smooth. And sorry guys, I tried to zoom and everything, so I'm sorry if the video is not as detailed as you would want them to be, and I just promise to get better basically. So I've done the first 3, and this is how I start. So I already took my braid, divided it into 2 places, and then put my thumb and everything, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab and start braiding. People do this differently. I wish I showed you guys the other method, but maybe in my next video I'll be showing you guys this method and another method that I also use. The other method I use it sometimes, but I usually prefer this one because it helps me grip any type of hair. And as you're braiding, try to be as close to a scalp as possible. I don't braid tight no matter what. My clients' hair always lasts for months. So when I say braid is tight to the to a root or a scalp, please don't braid a scalp. Basically, just try to be tight just so that it's not going to slip off, and just so that the roots can be stable and and firm. And then you go ahead and apply your edge control just so that the natural hair can be tiny or skinny or slim, so that as you're braiding, the hair is not sticking out. So basically you are tucking in her natural hair, in case your clients have black hair or color 1B hair, or your client has blonde hair or anything like that. Clearly my client's hair is somewhat color 4 or maybe dark 30, but I still had to tuck it in because she had multiple colors on her hair. And I mean, yes guys, I mean, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll always answer your questions. Again, in my next video I'm going to be showing you how I do the other method. I was going to show you guys for this one, but I didn't want to risk it because I do the other method where my client has longer hair. This one to me is more secure and it's safer for any length of hair. It enables you to grip the hair very well, unlike the other one whereby you're just tying it around. And I mean, I'm going to show you guys again in my next tutorial for this style. But yeah, that'll be all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video as well, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.